Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're gonna jump into ICMIZER and we're gonna play some spots or some scenarios as we've been doing lately. Actually, we've been playing this 55 bounty builder, but I thought it would be a good idea to actually change this to Sunday Million, right? Because I actually prefer freeze out tournaments than ones with bounty. So let's try that. And we're gonna go through placement questions. That's cool. That will be interesting for sure. Okay. 18 BBs, final table. And we've got a shove for 10 BBs. That's a call, right? Sixes are a call. King 10 suited. Is King 10 suited a call? Probably not, given two other short stacks. So I'm gonna fold it. Or should I fold it? I think so. And King deuce, of course, I'm folding as well. Let's see. Okay, so King 10 suited is a call. Okay. Four deuce off on the small blind is a fold. Eight deuce off. Is it a shove? Eight deuce. Probably it's close, but I'm gonna fold it. Nine deuce is a push, and 5-3 I would say is a push. Let's see it. These are all folds. Okay. Okay. We cannot see the ranges now. That's too bad. But these are placement questions, so these are gonna tell us where we have the most, the biggest leaks. So is King Queen off a call here on 9.3 BBs? I don't think so, right? Because it's final three. Or is it? I think King Queen off is a fold. Queen Jack off has got to be a fold. Ace Jack off is probably close. I'm gonna push it. And Ace 7 suited. I'm gonna fold. And that's correct. Cool. Six deuce off, 25 BBs. Is not a push, right? 6-3. Is 6-3 a push? Got a 3B blind stack. I think it's a push. 8 deuce is a fold, and 8-3 is a push. Okay, all these hands are a push. So I think because of the fact that this guy is on 3 BBs, we are just pushing 100%. We're not folding anything. Okay. King 3 suited on the big blind. We've got 4 similar stacks as ours. So I guess this is a push. Queen 8 off. I think is also a push. Queen 9 is surely a push, and pocket 3s are a push as well. Let's see it. Yeah, these are all pushes. Queen 8 is plus 0.05%. Same as pocket 3s. Okay. Nine deuce off. Huh. Top three. That's got to be not 100%. But maybe I'm wrong. Okay, it is 100%. So in this spot we're shoving 100%. Very interesting. Probably because of the fact that the button is a smaller stack. At 8 BBs and we have 23. Yeah. Makes sense. A7 suited on the small blind, 5 BBs with the shortest stack, buttons shoving. I think we're calling here with A7, with pocket 7s as well, pocket 8s and king jack suited. I'm calling all these hands. And king jack suited is not a call, and A7 suited is not a call either. We should be tighter here. It's too bad we cannot see the ranges on this placement questions, but of course it makes sense. On the button, 6.6 BBs, 7-6 suited. I think we're falling here. 10-7 suited. I think we're falling as well. Jack 7. I think we're again falling. And king 5 suited. I think we're falling. And these are all pushes. Okay. So, yeah, we definitely, it's good because we will know where our leaks are and we will just train these spots in particular. But it's good to know that all these hands are pushes. I would play tighter here. King deuce suited. Facing a shove from small blind. Let's see. I think we're folding king 10 suited. Jack 10 off. I think we're folding as well. Queen 7 suited. I think we're calling, and ace deuce off, we're calling as well. Let's see here. Okay, Jack 10 is a call as well. Jack 10 off. And is a better hand, at least by these percentages, than both these hands, which is interesting. King 10 off, 6 BBs. I think we're shoving. Jack 8 off, we're shoving here. Queen 8 suited, King 6 suited. I think this is pretty easy because we're the smallest stack. And these are 13, 12, and 32 BBs, and it's correct. Jack 9 off, facing in 7.6 BBs. Shove. Do we call with Jack 9 off? kind of think so. Queen 8 has got to be call as well. King 5 is probably a fold. Jack 7 suited is a call. Let's see. These are all folds. Okay. And surprisingly, Jack 7 suited is the worst hand by these percentages to call here. Okay. Ace deuce off on 19 BBs with the biggest stack. These guys have 9 BBs each. I think we push it. King 9 off. I think we push as well. Jack 9 off. We push. King 5 we fold. And that's correct. Well, we see these are all, you know, small edges, but still. 5-4 off on 6.3 BBs. Yeah, I think we're pushing it 100%, aren't we? But maybe I'm wrong. We're not. We're definitely not. All these hands are not shoves on a 6.3 BB stack on a small blind with two players at a similar stack size. Okay. Nine 3 suited on the button. Now, is this 100% shove? I don't think so. Is 9-3 suited good enough? I think so. 6-5 is as well. 5 deuce suited. Well, that's the question. Is it 100% or 95% or lower? Let's go with, yeah, let's go with this. And that's correct. Cool. You've completed 15 placement questions. Your question's difficulty will be based on these results. Push 1 out of 100, call 41 out of 100. And what does that mean? I think that means we played it pretty badly, because this means we rank 47%. Okay, and what do we want to play? Push spots or call spots? Let's play push spots, maybe. But let's see. Okay, we're at 14 minutes, so probably let's end here. And we will play another session, I think, going over some of these final table spots, push spots. Then maybe we will play some of the call spots. And we'll just pick the ones that we ranked lower at, I guess, so that we can just practice the spots that we did worse at. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you stayed this long, please leave a comment. Just write ICMIZER or ICM or whatever. You can ask a question. If you'd like, I'll be very happy to answer it. You can let me know if you've been also playing on the ICMIZER and enjoying it the same way as I have been. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.